Yes, you can. Yes, I can hear it. Yes, we are back at Manchester Airport again. How's it going? It's been another 2 minutes. We are with a Ryan. We are with a Jet 2. So this is the Jet 2 here, according to that map. And then that's a Ryanair. You see that there? That's a Ryanair. It's totally not a Jet 2. Get in there! You're just gonna make a whole bloody queue. Quebec. And it was actually the same Jet 2 when it went by. I read the registration, I can't read the marking. I read it, but I kept talking. I read it. And it was actually the same Jet 2. And this is a 787. And this is a 737. Actually, I had the other half of the 3, and then it might actually be a 787. My mistake. Yes! Eminency is moving. Let's ignore that. It doesn't have any wingtips, so I guess it's 737-7. Why am I taking a picture of that? Look at here. It's a goated view. No, honestly, when you're at Heathrow, it's like you get an ATR 72, for example, and then it's like to Heathrow ATC, it's like 1 second of being on the ground. Wow, absolutely lovely. All stopping for the king of the skies. All stopping for the king. The king always is on top. No. The king is always on top. Not the wrestler. Which I'm not saying. I can't be up. You guys probably don't know if you watch my edits. Woo! Jet 2E. Great. No, that's actually a jet. That's actually a Ryanair. You know what I mean? So it's a Ryanair. That's the biggest type of Ryanair. Like, this is the smallest type, or whatever. So it's a Ryanair. See what I mean? It's a Ryanair. Yeah, that's a puddle. Already, it's gonna go from dirt. No, sorry for that one. From dirt to the rise of bloody nothing. What is the rise of? It's a rise of a TUI Fly 737, which you should hopefully see now. And then I'm just having a look myself what there is, and you guys might know who made the airline. I don't. Probably somebody like Boris. It's not Boris Johnson. Not actually Boris Johnson. Oh my god. Look at this puddle, man. Look at the type of shoes that I'm wearing. Oh, I gotta go back through that tunnel. What tunnel, you may ask, Harry Potter? how our Jet 2s are made. That's too far. Looks pretty good. This is what live streamers do. Just aim at a plane and then just keep it there for another 10 years until another plane comes. Like this. AE/AF lock. As Echo, Alpha Echo, Alpha Foxtrot. Locked. Shut up. I'll say hello to you later. There you go, the plane's finished. And I'm not finished, literally torturing myself. Alpha Echo, Alpha Foxtrot. Locked. Oh, yes, boys. Here we are with the Jet 2. La 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 la. See, this is the best cameraing I can do. Holding the camera straight. It's so hard for me because I'm new. I never do it. Fair enough to me. See that's that. See, I'm literally holding my watching me record bloody video. It's fine, we're recording later anyways. In the Concorde and with the Concorde, which I know my friends and I would absolutely love watching. And sitting in Monarch's seat. Watching an hour-long movie at this airport, and also then what else is there? Oh yes, going inside a BEA system. There he goes. AF, the king of the skies. Look at that size difference. Goodbye, Afriati. And hello, bloody Tui Fly. Why is that? Oh my god, I can't explain. My friend play. What's your best friend? A play. Yo guys, there's a nettle right here. With a ladybug on it. Let's touch it. Ah! Oh, flip my finger. Let's just ignore it because I need to record, don't I? See, look at that. Someone's pole in the middle of the view. Just kidding. Oh, I know that. Alright guys, you need to give me a couple of aircrafts, airlines, aeroplanes and PTFS, and you've not blah 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 blah. You've not done it. How way does it feel? Like there's like 20 people staring at you and you're just making a YouTube video and you're like yappity yap yappity yappity yap yap. Well, I guess DVD has gone for it millions more times than me. Even Happy Gilmore. Is that an A319? Yes, that is. That A319 landed 16 minutes ago. Okay, whatever. That was the exact A319. Hey, A319s are actually quite small. After hearing that. The bottom of your shoe is not dirty. Then what is it then? Honestly, you said it's not dirty, did you just say, mate? Ah! Dirty. Non-dirtyable dirtness. Jesus Christ. What does non-dirtyable dirtness even mean? I don't know, maybe Gardner. Southwest average taxiing speed. Oh, this will look cool. It's a cross. Shoo! See you later. Oh my god, I'm looking at 4 right now. Easy. I know he's getting off short. Approximity. Shut up, copy me, little kiddo. I'm making a YouTube video. You're not. I bet you're gonna cry because you don't even have a channel because you're probably not even 4 yet. I watched my friend just pretend to record because he thought he had a YouTube channel. And he's like, hello guys, welcome back to another video. How are you doing on the channel? You don't even have a channel, mate. Honestly. Huge shout out to oh my god, I shouldn't actually be saying this, should I? Well, shout out to Toby, who I just found his YouTube channel yesterday. That was shocking. He told me to search it up, but I couldn't find it, and I just found it yesterday. So shout out to him, because it's quite a cool video. It's kind of funny. Just an armed sea slug. Literally just a sea slug with a gun in his hand. Doesn't sound violent, does it? Sounds absolutely lovely. I would like to shoot someone with a gun. Yeah, I shouldn't actually. I'm just kidding with that one. I'm just kidding with that one. Honestly, kidding with that one. It's a Diana there. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys later when we go inside a BEA Systems.